Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 20-1. It says Miguel rode his bike 82 2/3 miles during a 7-day period. Approximately how many miles did he average per day? That means per day means in one day. So I'm going to do miles to days equals miles to days. I'm going to do 82 2/3 miles in 7 days would be how many miles in just one day? That means how many does he average each day? So then I look, I know something about my denominator. So I say, how do I get from 7 to 1? Oh, 7 divided by 7 is 1. Well, if I'm going to divide the denominator by 7 here, I have to also divide the numerator by 7. So I have to take 82 2/3 and I have to divide that by 7. So I have to take 82 2/3 and put it to an improper fraction. So in order to take 82 2/3 as an improper fraction, some number of thirds, I have to take 3 times 82. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 times 3 is 24. So then I have 246 thirds. Add on 2 more thirds. That's 248 thirds. 248 thirds. 3 times 82 is 246, plus 2 more is 248 thirds. So this is 248 thirds divided by 7. That's the same as 7 over 1. And then we can keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 248 over 3 times, if I flip this over, 1 over 7. Then I can multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and I get 248 over 21. That means 248 divided by 21. So now I'll long divide. 248 divided by 21. 21 goes into 24 once. 1 times 21 is 21. Subtract off. We got a 3. Drag down that 8. 21 goes into 38 once. 1 times 21 is 21. Subtract off. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. Drag down a 0. How many times does 21 go into 170? I would say probably 8 times. 8 times 21. A little bit of scrap. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 168. So that becomes 168. I could keep going, but really this tells me about 11.8. That's about 11.8 miles in one day. If I round that to the nearest number of miles, about 12 miles. I hope that helps.